1999 Alpha Gold for sale in Colorado Springs, Colorado, 80908. This is a 1999 Alpha Gold fifth wheel. It is 35 feet in length, has leveling jacks, 3 slides, 4 awnings, sleeps 6 people, has an AC, 4-range stove, microwave, fridge freezer, sink, dinette, surround sound, CD, stereo, cable ready, sofa, chairs, shower, outside shower as well, bathtub, washer-dryer hookups, queen bed, storage dresser, basement storage, furnace, heat pump, and smoke detector. I just spent $3,500 to have the trailer checked out and all required repairs made. Some of the repairs are: new toilet, microwave, GFCI converter, refrigerator control board, seals around all slide outs. Any water leaks were repaired, all lights work, and it has 5 new tires. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes, and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online, or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane, and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment, including financing, shipping, warranties, and more. Choose from one or our whole suite of digital advertising products. Call a marketing specialist now at Select Vehicle Marketing so we can help you sell it fast. While Select Vehicle Marketing makes every reasonable effort to ensure the accuracy of this information, Select Vehicle Marketing is not responsible for any errors or omissions in the listing descriptions or on these pages. Please verify any information with the owner. Select Vehicle Marketing will provide owner contact information to all legitimate inquiries.